Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay yourself as a director. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start putting themselves on payroll. And so make sure to do your own research though. This video shouldn't be construed as financial advice. Now, if we hop onto our screen here, I do want to go over very briefly like what the difference is between LLC, sole proprietorship, and S corporation election is. So with an LLC, your personal assets are separate from your business assets. And so in this case, if your business gets in trouble, you get sued, or maybe your business goes bankrupt, your personal assets do have legal protection. Whereas with a sole proprietorship, there's no legal distinction between personal and business assets, which means that if your business gets sued or if it goes bankrupt, your personal assets may be liable. Now with an S corporation election, this is available to, and there's going to be a potential for reduced self-employment taxes. With an S corporation election, the income is going to be split into salary and dividends. So the tax savings usually start if an LLC profits exceed $40,000 to $50,000. But just as an example calculation here, let's pretend that you're a director with an LLC net profit of $100,000. If you were to file yourself as a sole proprietorship, the entirety of your $100,000 would be subject to self-employment tax, let's say 15%. Therefore, you would pay yourself around $50,000 in taxes. Now, if you were to file yourself as an S corporation taxation, $60,000 can be sent to you as a reasonable salary through payroll, which is why it's important to set yourself up with payroll. And then the $40,000 can be set up as a dividend. So the salary is subject to self-employment tax. So 15% of $60,000 is around $9,000. And then the dividend portion is not subject to self-employment tax. So total self-employment tax is $9,000 in this scenario here. Therefore, you would save around $6,000 in taxes just by filing as an S corporation. Now, in order to do that, we talked about payroll. Payroll is required for you to file as an S corporation, and I would recommend using Gusto in order to actually put yourself on payroll. Gusto itself is a very simplified payroll, HR, and benefits tool. I've been using it for the past 4 years. It's been absolutely phenomenal. I basically set it and forget it, and I only pay around like $45 a month for it. So if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do run your first payroll, you'll actually receive a $100 gift card sent to you. So if you click on the link down below, just simply click on create an account, and then you're going to follow the prompts here. So enter all the basic information like your name, company email, company name, number of employees, and then set your password and then click on create an account. So once you create an account, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. So who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? In our case, it's myself as the director. Next, how does your company currently run payroll? Usually it's we're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? Yes or no? Do you have a company bank account? Yes or no? In which US states do you work? So just select the US state in which you work here. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no? What industry are you in? So simply click on this toggle menu and then select the industry that closely matches your company's primary business activity. The question underneath here is your company a cannabis related business? Yes or no? Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? Yes or no? Next, what's your desired first payday with Gusto? So you can give an estimated date here because this can be changed later on and then click on continue. In my example, I pay myself on the 21st of every month, but you can choose whichever date you want to be paid out and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to be recommended a package here. So this right here is the simple plan. So this right here is the simple plan, and it's $40 a month plus $6 a month per person. You can run unlimited payrolls in one state, and you're able to get your W-2s and 1099s. You can also get some basic insights and reporting and also receive basic support. So I have contacted Gusto before previously, and even though I'm on their most basic plan, their support has been absolutely phenomenal. So if everything here looks good, just click on confirm and set up. Now, once you click on confirm and set up, there's 3 more things that you're going to need to do. The first thing is that under pay, under run payroll, you need to edit your payroll details. So go ahead and click on continue over here. And then from this page, you need to input your addresses, your federal tax info, your filing addresses, your bank account. You need to connect your business bank account, then set up your pay schedule, and then do the signatory. So after that's done, you're basically setting up your payroll details. The next thing that you need to do is create your own profile. Again, under pay, under run payroll, click on continue here. And then from this page, you just simply need to fill out the basic information. So first name, last name, start date, work address. Then input your compensation here. So job title, usually I put director or manager, employee type, then input the amount that you want to be paid per year. And then do you have a special tax exemption status? Usually it's no, I'm not tax exempt. And then click on save and continue. This page here under employee info is just personal details and home address. So this is just a dummy account that I'm using. So just click on save and continue. Now for tax selections, just try to fill this out to the best of your ability. And then likewise, set up your tax withholdings that's specific to your state, and then click on save and continue. Now, the last thing that you need to do might be to input your state specific taxes, which is again located underneath the same page. Just click on this button here and then fill out your state tax details. So that is essentially the best way that I know of to actually go ahead and pay yourself as a director. If you guys know of a better, easy way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll actually be sent $100 in the mail via a gift card. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.